Look at the website tradingview.com. When I come here, I click. As it's loading, I don't quickly go anywhere. I move to chart. I click chart. This is very easy. So when I click chart now, I can move here and choose any currency. Here I have the Euro USD, Great British Pound USD, USD Japanese Yen. But let me take the Euro USD. Okay, if I click the Euro USD like this, I have this is a 15 minutes chart, meaning that each candlestick takes 15 minutes to form. So here I have to draw trend lines. I come here, there are many. So I come here, I take this first one. If I take this first one, I draw my line. This is my line. It is moving downward. Though this one is not exactly precise, but let me just end here because our trade ends here. Okay, let me go back again and still the pop-up. Please guys, stay tuned. So that's it. It's the 15 minutes chart, though the trend line is a little bit rough, but this should be my support. This should be my support, meaning that this market is moving in a downtrend. So here is the support and here is the resistance. Here is the resistance and here is the support. If you, for example, if you are at uptrend here, it means that you are supposed to be selling. You look at, this is your price, this is your price, this is your price, the current price, which is right up there at 1.949. From there, you know that this is your support down. You can buy, you can sell and stop here. Once you sell and stop here, you should think of buying, even though there may be some ups and downs along the way. You knew that your support was somewhere here. You can buy and stop somewhere here. But some people, if the support is a type, they feel that it is only good when selling. They'll allow it to come and reach their resistance, and at the resistance here they sell, because if you leave here, you discover that the price, the current price here is 1.18, is 1.1882. This, the price is found on your left. This is the price here. Yeah, so it is here. You subtract pips till you reach your support, and then you enter your trade. So at support here, you're ready that this price will be rising. It's the same thing. This is what is happening with the Euro USD now. Look at where it is. It keeps forming. It keeps forming. Let me change the time frame to 1 hour. Let's see. It will be different. I just took, but look at where it is. It's almost the same thing. And if you also come here, you will find almost something similar. Okay, let me draw another trend line here. Let's say the price started was here. You took a decision and you made this as your support. Then let me draw another line. You came down here. This is, I mean, the first one was the resistance and this is the support. This is where support was broken. Each time I say support broken, it means that when it reached here, instead of continuing and going upward, it came down. The candlestick came down and broke your support line. Once it breaks the support line, price will start going down. Price will start going down as it is forming now, another zigzag. So this one is the uptrend and this is the downtrend. So this is all I have for you guys today as support and resistance. Note that at support we are buying and at resistance we are selling. Okay, for example, look at it here. Down here, the candlestick here is a bullish engulfing. It has engulfed the red candlestick, which is a bearish candlestick, and price started rising till here. And up here we can find a bearish engulfing candlestick. This bearish candle has engulfed the bullish candle and price were going down. That's it. So at support, as I explained, we are buying, and at resistance we are selling. This is where the resistance, this is where the support was broken. As the support was broken here, prices started going down. This is the case with the Euro USD. Thanks for being there. It is the Cameroon King of Pips teaching Forex. This is Cameroon Online School of Forex. Thanks.